Robot Vacuum Comparison. ABIR X6 versus competitors. Robot vacuums have transformed home cleaning. Let's compare three popular models: the ABIR X6, iRobot Roomba 675, and Ecovacs Dbot Osmo T8 AEV. 1. ABIR X6. Pros: strong suction, ideal for picking up dirt and pet hair. Smart navigation, uses sensors for efficient cleaning. Affordable, offers great value for the price. Cons: battery life, may not last for larger homes. Limited features, lacks integration with voice assistants. 2. iRobot Roomba 675. Pros: reliable performance, effectively cleans carpets and hard floors. Smart home integration, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. User-friendly app, schedule and monitor cleaning easily. Cons: higher price, more expensive than ABIR X6. Limited suction, less powerful than some competitors. 3. Ecovacs Dbot Osmo T8 AEV. Pros: 2-in-1 functionality, vacuums and mops floors. Advanced navigation, recognizes and avoids obstacles. Cons: premium price, higher cost may deter some buyers. Complex setup, can be overwhelming for some users.